So what's up? Second day namin at andito na kami ngayon sa Toronto. Ngayon pupunta kami sa Ripley's Aquarium. So ayan, iin muna kami sa Ripley's Aquarium. So ayan.
Nalabatot si Yurek sa shark. Hawakan. Hawakan mo! Uy!
Papasok namin sa aquarium na malaki. Ay, nag-lista.
Where's the toner?
May sea turtle.
Where's it? Oh my god, the shark. There's no baby shark. Oh, there he is.
Oh, yung sea turtle. Oh, may shark, may shark. May shark. There's a shark in here.
The shark.
Hindi kinakain mo siya mga isla.
Ito may shark.
Please don't eat me.
Tingin ko di tayo nakikita ng mga isda.
I saw shark.
Bibigyan na, tapos nagbibigyan pa. Ayun ang shark. So, what's up? So, nandito na kami ngayon sa CNE. At teka, pinalilipat ako ng parking. Hi! You too! Sorry lang. Hi! So yun, nagbayad kami ng ticket at parking. 180 yung siningil sa amin. 180. Ala, di bayad pala dito. Kaya nga, ewan ko dyan.
Ano naman kasi?
Kaya nag-aaway pa kayo sa vlog. Kaya propose ko sa vlog to. Kasi maghapon na kayo nag-aaway. Lahat kayo.
Wala.
guys.
Ano yung sapatos mo? Ano yung mga pinayon kanina?
Kunti na to.
Ano yung core ng binibili mo
Yan,
sa
so,
Minisol kagapon?
dito namin sa CNE nag-aaway sila. Tara! Let's go! Whoa! May tao kaya hindi ko na nanakot. Yun lang yun? Yun lang yun? 5 tickets na yun?
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it could show you what you want.
Yun, sumakay kami sa Ferris wheel. Aircon. So last na yan, tapos punta na kami sa Kingston para dun yung second hotel. 3 hours pa yun papunta dito. Pupunta namin sa 3 hours pa. Kaya malaglag yung cellphone ko. Nakakadala eh.
All I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Yo, so stop over kami ngayon. Papunta na kami ng Kingston dahil doon kami mag-stop over para ngayong gabi. Doon kami tutulog and then bukas ng umaga, diretso na kami ng Montreal sa Quebec. So tatawid kami ng province. So from Ontario punta kami ng Quebec. At yun. So nag-stop over lang kami dito sa, hindi ko alam kung anong lugar to, pero para siyang yung sa gitna na expressway sa Pilipinas, yung mga kainan. Yun. So kakain lang kami. Ayun, so andito na kami ngayon sa hotel na pag-i-stayan namin ngayong gabi. Umalis kami sa Toronto ng around 7 PM and dumating kami ng 10:45. At yun, mag-stay kami dito hanggang bukas ng umaga. Dahil bukas ng umaga, biyahe naman kami papuntang Montreal, Quebec. So yun, 3 oras pa yun simula dito. Kaya malayo-layo pa rin yung biyahe. Stay kami sa Montreal, Quebec na isang gabi bago kami pumunta sa Quebec City. So, yun. Tara. Tulugan na. So guys, ngayon pupunta na kami ng Quebec sa Montreal. Nandito pa kami ngayon sa Kingston at babiyahe kami ng 3 oras pa. Oras ay 10:13. Kaya possible na doon na kami by tanghali. So yun.